இனிய பொங்கல் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். இனிய தை திருநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். Happy Pongal to everyone. Wishing you all a happy, fun-filled and a prosperous Pongal Eve. Today, on this Pongal Eve, we are still going to continue our learning, but today's words are going to be something related to the Pongal celebrations and the Pongal Eve. So, if you're ready, let's begin. I hope all of you had a yummy and tasty Pongal in the morning and you're done with your prayers and everything. So now it's time for some little learning. Okay? So if you're ready, let's get started. So if you're ready, it's time to begin the video. Alright. So the first word that we are going to learn today is an exclusive word related to Pongal festival. Pongal is a festival of harvest, and by that note, let's learn the meaning of the word harvest. In Tamil we say harvest means அறுவடை. அதனால்தான் பொங்கல் நம்ம எப்பவுமே அறுவடை திருநாள் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். This Pongal festival is mainly dedicated to farmers and villagers who are related to the farming work, because this is the time when they do the harvest. Their 6 months of hard work is paid off during these Pongal holidays, and that is why they celebrate this harvest festival in a very grand manner. We can use it in a sentence like Pongal festival is the time for farmers to harvest their crops. பொங்கல் சமயத்துல தான் விவசாயிகள் அவங்களோட கதிரை அறுவடை செய்வாங்க. அதனால தான் இதை அறுவடை திருநாள் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்றோம். பொங்கல் is a festival of harvest. அறுவடை திருநாள். So that's the first word. Now let's move to the second word. The second word related to any festival, even during the Pongal festival, is offering. During any festival, we offer food to God before we eat. That's called offering. Offering means unavu padaithal. So that was the second word for today. The third word for today is ritual. The word ritual means a religious ceremony. The word ritual means a religious ceremony. In Tamil we say மத சம்பந்தப்பட்ட ஒரு சடங்கு, மத சார்புடைய ஒரு சடங்கு. It could be any religion. A religious festival, a religious ceremony is called as ritual. Pongal is a significant ritual for Hindus. The next word is ingredients. Ingredients. For any festival, we cook a lot of dishes to relish through the day. So the word ingredients plays a main role during any festive season and even in our everyday cooking. Ingredient means a list of food items which is put together to make a dish. ஒரு சமையலை சமைக்கிறதுக்கு தேவையான பொருட்களை தான் ingredients அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Keep all your ingredients ready before you start cooking. நீங்க சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னாடியே தேவையான எல்லா பொருட்களையும் எடுத்து ரெடியா வச்சுக்கோங்க, so that the cooking gets easier. So this is the meaning of the word ingredients. The next word that we have in the list is tradition. Tradition means parambaryam. The next word that we have in the list is tradition. Tradition means parambaryam. Tradition means a culture which has been followed for ages in a family or in a group of religion or in a group of society. So பாரம்பரியமா நம்ம செய்துட்டு இருக்க விஷயங்களை தான் tradition அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். We can use it in sentence like, in my family we follow all the traditions religiously. எங்களோட குடும்பத்துல நாங்க எல்லா பாரம்பரியமான பழக்கங்களையும் இன்னும் கடைபிடிச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம். Here religiously does not mean மதம், religion. ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்டா ரொம்பவே ஃபோக்கஸ்டா ஒரு விஷயத்தை செய்யறது தான் religiously. And the next word is consume. Yes, we saw offering, we saw ingredients. So with those ingredients, if you have made the dish, it's time to consume it. So consume means to eat. I love consuming sweets during festival. எனக்கு பண்டிகை காலத்துல ஸ்வீட் சாப்பிட ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். Sweet pongals especially during the Pongal festival. They would be yummy, so we can relish on it so nicely. So you can use it in sentence like, I love to consume sweet pongal during the Pongal season. And the last word we have in the list is celebrations. Celebrations means kondatam, a way to keep everyone around us happy. That's called celebration. In schools, in colleges, in office, at home, everywhere we do a lot of celebrations regularly. I love celebrations and that makes me really happy. எனக்கு கொண்டாட்டங்கள் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும், அது என்ன ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா வச்சுக்கும்னு நான் நம்புறேன். So once again I wish all of you a prosperous and a blissful Pongal. இந்த பொங்கல் உங்க எல்லாரோட வாழ்க்கையிலையும் உங்க எல்லாரோட மனதிலையும் பொங்க பொங்க மகிழ்ச்சிகளை கொண்டு வரட்டும், சந்தோஷங்களை கொண்டு வரட்டும், நிம்மதியை கொண்டு வரட்டும். May this Pongal give you everything that you want, everything that you deserve, everything that you would love to. So with these heartfelt wishes, it's time to say bye-bye, and once again, Happy Pongal!